beautiful unboxing here. This is the box. It's black, which is different. Any other iPhone box that I've had has been white, so that's the first thing I noticed that was different. But I haven't gotten an iPhone since the iPhone 7. I had the iPhone 7 Max is what I'm upgrading from. So there's your box. And again, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And there she blows. So the deal is, I wanted to get a new iPhone because, mostly for vlogging, can't get it out of the box, because it's so much easier to carry around than to carry a phone and a camera, and because this one had such an awesome new camera, I thought I would try it, and that would be my sort of everyday vlogging camera. And you guys have read, I'm sure, about these three. I can't tell you all the technical specs, but one of them allows you to go really wide and then wider, and then it has a 4K camera, which the other iPhones do as well. I think the 10 and the 7 and the 8, but I think this one has a better stabilization, they say, so I'm going to do a little experiment and see about that. So let's take a look at it. So I set this phone up at the Apple Store, and I did a restore from iCloud. So the newest thing for me is the swipe up feature, which I had not had before on any of my iPhones. But the first thing I am going to do now is put on my Do Not Disturb. So I want to make sure it's on always, and it's the same, there we go, same settings that I had before, automatically. So I'm not getting distracted while I'm driving. So that's my number one thing that I wanted to do. Oop, there we go. And really, I'm not going to go through all my apps and show you like what's on my iPhone. We can do that at a different time if you're interested. But I wanted to show you sort of the differences between the photographs and the videos with the iPhone and with my regular camera. So the camera that I'm using right now to do this video. So what I'm going to do is there's three things I want to show you guys and that I want to play with myself, and that is going to be the camera, like the wide angle camera versus my regular iPhone, and then I'm going to do a video of stabilization to show how the video stabilizes on the new iPhone versus my camera, and then I'm going to do sort of just a regular quality check so you guys can see and I can see what it looks like to film with my camera versus my iPhone. Then you guys can let me know after that if you think that this was a good choice for vlogging and if I should use this camera for it if you like the quality. Sound good? But first I do want to finish the official unboxing. So you'll notice that my camera, or my phone, I keep calling it a camera, my phone, you saw that I got the glass protector case on the front. So I think that is so important. I don't want to break it, or I want to protect it more. So I did get the glass protector. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. So designed by Apple in California. And in here is all of your instructions in case you don't know how to use an iPhone. And it's pretty simple. It tells you what to do, how to do it, some of the technical stuff, and of course the Apple stickers. The next thing is, this is interesting, oh there we go. This is the charging block. Now this is a little bit bigger than charging blocks that I had with my 8 or really that have come with any of our other iPhones. Let me get my standard charging block so you guys can compare. Hold on one second. So this is the standard block that I've received with all my other iPhones, and I didn't get the iPhone 10, but I assume it's the same. Actually, Katie did, and I think it's the same block. But this one is bigger. And look at that. The cable is definitely different because look at the port there. So this is what they look like. So let's see that. Now here are the earphones. We'll look at that in a minute, but there we go. There's the port. So let's see. Open these up. Okay, and it looks like this is not your standard USB. You guys might know what that's called. Again, I'm not that technical. I don't know, but holy cow. So now nobody can steal my charger. Yay, thank you, Apple. That is good news. And then this will go right in here. Oops. And you charge it up just like that. Again, right, just like that. Okay, And I think most people know how to charge an iPhone, or a phone, but then these are the earbuds, and they have the same port on the end, which I believe, yes, it seems to be the same as the one. Here's my iPhone 7. So let me just double check that it's the same. I think it's called a Lightning or something. Yeah, that should be same. So it looks like the earbuds are the same as with the standard iPhone for all the previous iPhones. I don't think there's anything else in here, but I will double check. Yeah, no, it's stuck. All right, so that's it. So for now, let me put these guys back in their box. And I want to show you guys, I got a, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I did get a case for my phone. And I just got the standard. I love this rose gold so much, and I do not want to scratch it. So and I wanted to show the rose gold, so I just got the standard Apple clear case. So just so I don't scratch it, I'm going to put this on there. There we go. And open up my new case. Hopefully I don't need to have scissors. You know how that goes sometimes. So hold on a second here. Of course I don't need scissors because look, they give you a little arrow right there that says open it up here. And just so you know, this was $39. So, whoops, can you see that? $39 for the case. And when I got the glass put on, that was $40. So maybe even $39 as well, but ended up being like $40. So let's go ahead and put the case on. Beautiful. Something on there already. Get off. Oh, it's cat hair. Great. Thanks, Alice. Okay. Snap that into place. Oh my goodness. And look at that. So that's my clear case. So I got the rose gold. I think it came in 4 colors. The gentleman who worked with me at the Apple store, he got the matte green, and it looks like such a pretty, pretty color too. But this is it. Look, I can still hit that button. One of the things that I like about this case as well, and I wanted to double check while I was at the store, so there's a little bump out. I don't know if you can tell, but yes, you can see that, right? There's a little bump out right here. So that little bump out covers and protects my 3 lenses. One of my biggest fears is going to be scratching those lenses, so I'm going to be very, very careful with those to ensure that I don't scratch them, and then we will test. All right, you guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed my unboxing and sharing with you the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh, you know what I do want to share with you as well is the size. Oh, my 7 is so messy. Okay, but anyway, so this is the size of my 7 with the case on, but maybe I'll take the case off of my 7 so you guys can see exactly. Oop. One of the most amazing things that I love too is how big this screen is. It's so great. So look at all that space right there they've turned into the screen. So I can watch movies, not that I have time or even do that. I mean, I do watch movies with Ryan sometimes at home or the kids, but probably not on my phone. But I do watch YouTube and our videos, and it'll be nice to watch that on a nice big screen. Hopefully you guys are watching YouTube as well. I know you are right now, but hopefully you continue to watch our videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, by the way, feel free to subscribe right now, right?